Definitely feeling that tension in through the upper back there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, holding on to a lot of stuff there. And so then you feel it just below like the bra line right through here.
Well, yep.
Okay, yep. You were saying right into the right hip here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How's that feel when I'm pushing in through there? Is that
It's a little painful.
It's a little painful, a little tender. Definitely feeling some inflammation over the tailbone here. Feeling a little more stuck there. Can definitely feel all that bunched up and tense there. And then we got a good old little brick wall right up top here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So let's start up top right here. So it's going to be gradual pressure from me, and then it'll be a quick push, okay? Yep, sink.
Oh my God. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
That one hasn't happened before.
No?
No.
Okay, there you go. That was good. Same kind of thing here. Another big breath for me. Okay, a little more tense through there. It's okay. We'll get this one when you're on your back, okay? I'll just be able to sink into it a little easier. So let's get into this low back here. Lay on your right side for me.
Oh.
Pull you off the arm there. Perfect. And up. Cool. Okay. Pressure in through here. I'm going to roll you. And then force is going to come with my chest right through your side here. It's going to be a quick drop.
Oh!
There we go.
Holy shnikes, Batman.
Yep.
Wow.
Did you feel that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Roll the other side?
Yes, face me over here. So this one's, I think, usually a little different than what most other chiropractors do, because I put a lot of pressure through there, I roll you a decent bit, and then the force comes with my chest through your side. So we kind of just like break open right into it instead of, I feel like a lot of chiropractors will kind of just like wring people out like a dish rag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just kind of roll you up and
twist you.
twist you.
Yeah, yep. Okay. Ooh, yeah, it's a little more stiff through here. So I'm just matching that tension here. We're going to drop right in through there.
Oh!
Do it right there?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to pull my hair up. There we go.
Okay.
Holy. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to work through things through the legs as well.
Okay.
Definitely really constricted, definitely more stuck on that right side. So a lot of the times we'll want to work through the hips as well. I'm feeling that this hip is not moving as well. Yeah, that's pretty tight through there. So when we have a hip that's stuck and not moving super well, it'll feed up into like a little higher up into the lower back and things, and you move way better here. Do you feel the difference there? Yeah. So you want to do a big pull through this hip here. So I'm going to take your leg here. It's going to be a lot of gradual pulling from me and then a quick tug.
Okay.
I'm looking to open up here. We might feel it into the low back a little bit too, which would be a good thing. Yeah.
Oh! Whoa! Oh my god. Like, I felt it here, but yeah, I felt it in the low back too.
Yeah.
That was, wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That was amazing.
Yeah, that was wild. That was a big one.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. Here we're going to target into the foot. We might feel it into the hip a little bit too, but we're going for right here at the foot.
Oh.
There we go.
That was good.
Yeah. That's great. Let's get into this foot here. A little more. Good. Okay. Next, I'll have you sit up here. We're going to get into that spot again here.
Okay.
We're going to do that bear hug style of adjustment. Are you familiar with that one? That's where I'll have you give yourself a big hug like this.
Oh, okay.
My hand's going to come alongside you onto your spine, and then we'll slowly lower you down here. Your head will drop back, and then the force will come with my chest through your arms.
Okay.
So we're kind of using your body weight and my body weight just to sink in there a little deeper and then push through it.
Okay.
Okay? So here. And actually, we'll probably just keep you curled up because of how sensitive this spot can be. So we'll come down here. I'll keep you curled up here. And I got you. So we'll feed into that. Yep. Okay, not bad. You got a little guy there.
Yeah.
You feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's always such a tension, like a anticipation point, because anytime anybody like does anything to like try and release it or whatever, it's like
it's a sensitive area.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah, it is, and that makes it difficult alone. And then you got all like the psychology behind it of like I want to protect myself, but I also want to feel better.
Right.
Yeah. We're dealing with a little bit of that stuff. Not terrible. Go ahead and flip over to your stomach one more time for me.
Face down.
Yes. So this is what we'd call a transition area in your spine, meaning like you have a curve that goes back here, and then this is right as you are starting to curve into the curve that goes forward into the lower back. So it's common for this area to be under a lot of compression and stress because of that. Okay. We'll try one more here. What I want you to do with this one is I'll have you take a big breath in.
Okay.
You'll hold it, and then we'll go at the top of the breath. So big breath here. Hold that breath there.
Oh.
Okay. Not bad. Okay. All right, Denise, go ahead and sit up for me. Let's check out your neck here. Go ahead and swing your feet off to the side there.
Oh my God.
Does that already feel a little better though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Even if it doesn't like have a huge release,
Like just that
deep push.
Well, yeah, and it just like to do this, to like stretch my back like this, and usually it's tender, it hurts to do. I try to do it so hoping that it's gonna like release the tension of the muscles or whatever, but wow.
Awesome. Okay, let's see how your neck is moving here. Ooh, yeah, I can feel all that tension you were talking about. more stuck around here. C5, yeah, 6 and 7. You feel that, especially. I'd say C5 is probably the biggest one right there. This left side's putting up a little more of a fight. Just a little more tense and restricted.
All I'm hearing is crunch, crunch.
Oh yeah, yeah. As we're kind of moving through things.
Snap, crackle, pop.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get at C5 first,
Okay.
and then we're gonna get at the base of the skull here on this left side.
Okay.
So I want you to scoot forward a little bit here. Cool. So I'm gonna be right behind you.
Okay.
Go into that middle part of your neck here. And it's gonna be a quick push right in through there.
Oh! Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that made me a little dizzy.
Okay, yeah. Breathe through that a little bit. That was a lot.
That was a lot.
Yeah. Have you had it move like that before?
No.
No? Yeah.
No.
So
Oh my goodness.
it's a lot of new motion just in the joint itself, right? But then also it really stimulates your nervous system, which can make you feel like, yeah, a little dizzy, a little just like overwhelmed in some ways.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a big one.
That was amazing though.
Yeah. Super, super good. Okay. So now we're going to get into the base of the skull here on this left side.
Okay.
So I'm going to be on the table here with you again.
Okay.
I'm going to cradle your head here. So I'm going to be right alongside you here.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're okay.
So, cradle, and we're going to rotate. And we're going to just find that sweet spot here. That is right about there. And it'll be a scoop right in through there, okay? Nice. Little guy there.
Oh my God. Oh, that's good. That feels really good.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Cool. And stand up, walk around on that a little bit there for me. How does that feel through the hip as well? Hip.
Amazingly enough, like when I was showing you, this is where it hurts.
Mm-hmm.
Just putting the pressure on it right there. When I was doing that,
Yeah.
I had, it was like twinge worthy,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not twinge worthy.
Okay.
It
go.
feels really good, actually.
Awesome.
It
Awesome.
feels really good.
Cool. Yeah. Definitely some areas that are stuck.
Yeah, oh my gosh. My neck actually feels rubbery. It feels
Awesome.
really good. It feels really good.
Awesome. Well, thanks for coming in. I appreciate you.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely.
For sure.